Hello everybody, welcome to the release video for version 1.32 of GoTechnology Hub 2. In this month's release, we've just got a couple of features, but they're really good ones. The first one I want to talk about is the completions grid. Completions grid is a great way of getting a visual representation of where your project is, where the systems are, where the subsystems are. So it's broken down by system, and then within that into subsystem, and then you get your viewpoint of the status within that. But what we've done is we've added in two filters in there, discipline and ITR class. So if we go back to the top, let's say for example we wanted to filter it down just to the electrical scope. We just do that. We can type it in or pick it. We can see that's changed now. So we can see that overall we're 38.79% through our electrical scope. We could narrow that down further. We could say, okay, well, we only want the construction ITRs, which is down to 37, and we can see these ones are empty. You can pick the items from the list. I just typed them in, but you can pick them. You can pick multiple values, and then you can actually, it will continue to maintain those filters as you drill down. So if you drill down there, you can see again there's no electrical and construction ITRs in there, but there is here. So that's the first feature I wanted to show you. The next one I wanted to talk about is something that we've wanted to put in for a few years now, and that is the advanced search facility. So you've got your basic search, which you'll be familiar with if you've used the application before, but we wanted to add in the feature to give you a little bit more flexibility on how you search, a little bit more control over it. So what that allows you to do is to pick a field, so let's say for example module, and then you've got a few different options in here. So there's the contains and does not contain, which means, you could say, oh, well, the module name has, the letter E in it, or you could say it is exactly or it's not exactly. But where it gets really powerful is some of the other options like has any and has none. So let's say that we wanted to search on any tag which doesn't have a module name. That's not something we could have done before, but we can now. So we can hit search and we can see that we've got 193 searches, 193 results in there. Let's add another filter there, and let's go with description. And let's say that the description contains cable. So if we put the description is cable, that would mean that literally it just had one word, but we want it to be contains. So we'll go cable. Now we can see we've narrowed that down to 29 results. And let's say that we wanted to find ones where they have a EO2B assigned to them. So we go down to tag ITRs and ITRs, and we go we want exactly EO2B, and we hit search. And there we go. We can see we've got 4 results in there which have an EO2B there signed off. We've also got some minor little graphical tweaks that you might have noticed as well, or you can mouse over and get further information. So that's the second modification which I wanted to show you. It's enormously powerful. You can keep on adding more. You can see the option is to change to an OR search, so it doesn't combine the filters, but it gives different options there instead. And that's what's in 1.32. Hopefully those features are helpful, and thanks for watching.